Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure everything required is already in place. Sign into the app and verify Spotlight is turned on in settings because Spotlight won't show if disabled. Once done, update the app and restart the device if an update was installed. That prevents caching issues. Next, gather the content you plan to promote, the file, caption, and tags, so you can move straight into the upload. This saves time and avoids interruptions mid-process. You now perform the core configuration steps methodically. Tap the content, choose the Spotlight or feature option, and follow prompts to upload. This is where most errors happen, so be deliberate. Add a concise caption and 3 to 5 relevant tags to increase discovery, and pick the appropriate privacy level so the right audience sees it. Then set the thumbnail, confirm duration limits, and opt into monetization or boosts only if you understand the costs and reach them. You finish by publishing and confirming visibility. Tap Publish and wait for the confirmation screen. Note any reference ID shown. Once live, verify by viewing Spotlight from another account or an incognito window to confirm how others see it. If your Spotlight doesn't appear, clear the app cache and reupload the content, or try a minor edit to force reindexing. If problems persist, gather screenshots and error ID and contact support for target.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.